I have 2 new stickers. I'm thinking maybe over here. Yeah, that looks good. Coming along, it's coming along, yep. I'm trying to like figure out how to put this metal pole on my tripod so that it's an extender. Alright, there we go. That should be fine now. I think and I hope. So I have to go over my dad's right now because I need him to look at my car because one of my locks is like being weird, and I also need to go get gas. This is like a chore day right here today. Okay, let's thing in here too. I wouldn't be doing that though. My second cup of coffee today is well needed to keep me going. I need to go on a walk after this so I can get my steps in today. I am heading to work. Got a shift from 5 p.m. till 1 a.m. in the morning. Should be fun. I took a nap, 30 minutes, which typically is enough for me. Let's see what happens. It's a Friday night. It gets interesting on a Friday night. Last Friday night, there was a girl who lost her grills, and we had to call the cops and security, and she got banned from the movie theater. So let's hope that, nothing too crazy tonight happens, but I'll keep you updated, I guess. Alright, right now it is 12:20 a.m. I did not stay till 1. I was tired, and I just kind of sacrificed the few extra minutes I could have stayed. Clocked in 10 minutes early. I said it was good enough. It was good enough for me. 1 a.m. is really a big stretch. I would have stayed, but like tonight it was a rough night. There was a lot of guests, just a lot of stuff. My manager told me I can go home. I was like, okay, great. I'm gonna take the loss. I'm gonna take the loss of pay. This is why I dog sit and stuff to make up for some things that sometimes I just don't want to do. And this is one of those times. So now I'm headed home. Like me. Alright, going to a movie with one of my friends, my coworkers. I have errands to do after. I don't know if I want to do it, but I feel like it's just best to do it before I have to leave. Then I'm trying to study a little bit for my job that I am gonna be doing. So. Alright, I am headed to the coin store now to hopefully sell some stuff. I don't really know. And I hope it's open. Okay, here we go.
coffee. 30-minute naps are like a sweet spot for me, so like, and it's not too oversleeping where I feel groggy, but it's like just enough sleep to get me into that REM real quick and then pop back out so that I don't feel groggy and want to sleep more. Yeah, studying sleep has really been an interesting thing for me. I've been trying to study like and listen to podcasts and things like that with brain and sleep and stuff. But no, I'm definitely overtired, and I don't think this job is helping me, but I have a shift at 4 to 12 a.m. Woke up at 7:30 this morning. Went to bed at 1 a.m. I don't advise getting a late night job like this and then waking up early like that. It just, you know, some things just don't work. My intent was to work out this morning, but I just didn't have energy to do that. So I edited like a small short that I still haven't posted. Honestly, you know, I think having like, you know, 3 different jobs, 3 to 4 different jobs at once is very spastic, and it puts me into this state where I'm like constantly like, oh my God, something's gonna happen, break or burn down. And I access this state when I'm overwhelmed and, you know, trying to balance 4 different jobs. I got YouTube, dog sitting, my movie theater job, and then also my upcoming job, which I'm taking meetings for. I have 1 next week and then 1 the following week. And then I'm also working next weekend for this job. It's just a lot, you know, there's a lot of things. And then I'm in the process of, you know, moving locations. So I'll be driving 10 hours to a new location. So all of this to say, I'm in like a whack state right now, a whack brain state. And honestly, I'm just leaning on coffee and routines at this point to get me through this short little era I'm in right now. And then I'll be thrown into a new chapter, a new world where I have to figure out new routines and new healthy balances for things. So that's the way life goes, guys. That's the way it goes. Also, I've dropped this new camera about like 2 times, and I really should stop doing it.